Here.
Talk nice. This is on video.
Keep going.
You have to show her how to do it.
Keep pushing the button. Go. Push the gas. Hold it. Alright, now look what you gotta do. You see this? Look. You gotta turn the wheel like that and like that. To go that way, you gotta turn the wheel like that. Now push the gas. Push the gas. Push the button down there with your foot. Push. Hold on it. Don't let go. Keep it down. Turn the wheel that way. Turn the wheel.
She is. It's just not going.
Turn the wheel. Go. Go. Push the gas. Push the gas.
Put your foot on that. Okay.
Yeah, push it.
Push.
Hold on to it.
Keep pushing the button. There you go. Just hold your foot down on it and just keep on moving.
Don't let go.
Just put your foot down there. There you go.
Keep going. There you go. See that little switch down there below you? Pull it up. Push it down, push it down. Now push the gas. There you go, push it all the way. Back up a little bit. Keep going. Don't forget, turn your wheel.
She's spinning. She needs a push. That when that wheel spins, she needs a push.
Pull that stick up. Sierra, that stick down there, pull it up, and then you'll go forward. Don't forget, you gotta turn your wheel. Hold on to it. Don't let go. Just push it all the way down. Push it all the way down. She's scared to push it all the way down.
Yeah. Well, she don't understand driving. She gonna run into the bush.
Put your stick down. Push your stick down. Sierra. Sierra, push the stick down. That stick, push it down. Now, give it gas. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Don't let go.
There you go. Just keep holding it.
There you go. Turn your wheel, too. Turn your wheel. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. That wasn't hard,
She's
was
just
it?
going to go backwards.
Now, turn the wheel the other way. We're going to have to take that out to a big field one day.
Take it up there to the church parking lot. She can ride all around that church parking lot.
Uh-oh.
Turn it the other way.
Push the stick up. There you go. Now push the stick the other way. There you go. Alright, put your stick the other way. Alright, you gonna run into me? Push the stick. Put a stick down.
I'm gonna give you a ticket.
Now give it gas.
Put it down.
Push the stick down and give it gas. Alright, go. Push the gas. Push the button with your foot.
With your foot, baby. There you go. There you go.
Hey, look at me and smile. Hold on. Smile. You gotta don't push the button. Hold on. Let me back up. Look at me now. Smile.
Oh, I know you're there, Boots.
One more. Yeah, one more. No, I'm not. I'm done.
Boots is saying cheese to you.
Are you saying cheese, Boots? Push the stick the other way now. Now.
Hey, turn the steering wheel.
Yeah, turn the steering wheel this way. There you go. Off you go.
Keep going.
Gotta have.
Push. Now push it.
Give it a.
With your foot, push it.
There you go.
Go. Don't let go. Just push. Keep it down. Hold your foot down.
Turn the corner.
I wish I could feel that. Keep her foot down.
There you go.
Turn it. Go that way.
Watch where you're going. There you go. Push the stick the other way and see what happens.
Tell her to push the stick down and go back.
Push the stick down and go backwards. There you go. Run into Daddy.
Keep going. Yeah, put the stick forward. Hey, pull the stick up. There, go.
Where you going?
Turned her music on.
What are you doing? Drive forward.
Push the stick the other way.
Pull the stick up. Now go. Push her over the thing.
Hold on. Hold on.
Hold the pedal down. She won't. You've been telling her to. She won't do it.
Just hold the pedal down. Keep on going. Woo! Whoa! Hold on a minute. There you go.
Push the button. Oh no. Keep going in reverse. You're gonna run into me if you keep it. You're gonna run into the truck. Yeah, you will.
Turn the wheel.
Turn the wheel that way. Hey,
No, the wheel. The
Sierra,
steering wheel.
turn your steering wheel.
No, the door.
Look, turn your steering wheel. Like that. Now go. Push the gas. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Hold
You
your
made
foot
it.
down.
Keep your foot down though. Keep your foot down. Don't let go.
Push your foot down and walk it.
Huh?
Push your foot down and hold it down and walk it.
Keep going. That thing goes fast if she keeps going.
Just push your foot down.
See?
Pull the stick up or down, whichever way it's supposed to go.
Down goes in reverse, up goes forward.
She has to have her music. Push.
That's just like a woman driving. What are you hitting the steering wheel now?
Oh, how funny. She enjoying her music. Push the button, your foot. Daddy, help her.
Where are you trying to go? Get over where? Right where?
Where I'm at.
There, pull the stick up.
Oh, don't you
You know what you
dare.
gotta do though? You gotta scoot over.
Oh, no, you
Right
don't.
there.
I'll back
Now,
up.
push the gas with your foot. Don't let go. Keep your foot down. Keep your foot down.
That's it. Make sure you turn your music off.